Welcome back to AI Unboxing. Today we are testing out the closed beta version of Wonderstudio by Wonder Dynamics. Wonder Dynamics is a visual effects platform that utilizes AI and cloud services to make CGI accessible. Essentially, what Wonderstudio does right now is called character replacement. Matt is testing it now. This first shot is the original stock video downloaded from Storyblocks. Once it's in the system, Wonderstudio detected both characters in the scene automatically and was able to then replace the character on the right with the pre-generated animated character he selected. Now check out this result! It even maps the lighting and shadows on the original actor and uses it on the replacement, who also mimics the original actor's movement. For the next video, Matt decided to attempt something more complex and used a room full of actors that the software was able to detect. We had a guy teaching a class before, now it's being taught by an AI-powered autonomous robot.
In there. Looks like we have an artifact left over. You could probably do some frame editing and edit this handout right here. I think you can see it here. Right there. But I mean, for the most part, this is pretty good.
Even though the software isn't perfect, with options to create your own characters, masking, and a bunch of other great features for editors and video creators, I am very excited to see what is coming next for Wonder Dynamics. The speed and power of this software is going to change the way media is created. Watch out, Hollywood! The independent creators are coming for you!